Since 2021, if you wanted Meta AI in your glasses, you bought Ray-Ban. That was the deal. Meta's AI, Ray-Ban's brand, EssilorLuxottica's manufacturing. It was a smart partnership that put AI glasses on millions of faces. Yesterday, June 23rd, that changed. Meta just launched its own branded AI glasses. No Ray-Ban logo, no Oakley branding, simply Meta glasses. 3-frame styles, 26 total combinations, prescription compatible, starting at $299, available now. This is not a minor product refresh. It is Meta making a deliberate choice to own the AI glasses category under its own name, a signal that the wearable AI market has matured enough for Meta to bet its own brand on it, not just a partner's. This video covers every frame, what the new AI model inside them actually does, what is coming soon in software, and, because this story would be incomplete without it, the 2 privacy findings that are directly relevant to anyone buying any pair of Meta glasses in 2026. 3 frame collections at launch, each aimed at a distinct aesthetic. The Meta Adventurer is the flagship, a clean rectangular shape available in standard and large sizes, described by Meta as the most classic of the 3. This is the everyday glasses aesthetic. If your current frames are rectangular and understated, the Adventurer is designed to feel familiar. It comes in multiple color and lens combinations and starts at $299. The Meta Fury is bolder and boxier, a fuller, more square frame aimed at people who want their glasses to make more of a statement. It is described as resembling popular men's frame styles, and comes in more color options than the Adventurer. Also starts at $299. The most talked about frame is the Meta glasses by Kylie, a slim oval design created in collaboration with Kylie Jenner. It features a small gem on the right lens and comes in black or tortoiseshell. Jenner's voice is available as an AI voice option on this model. The AI assistant and all spoken elements, including the battery readout, use what one reviewer described as an AI version of Jenner's voice. The Kylie edition costs $399. Across all 3 styles, Meta made meaningful fit improvements over the Ray-Ban generation. There's a 3-way adjustable nosepad made of metal, easier to wipe clean, more personalizable than the old single-position pads. Overextension hinges, user-adjustable temple tips for different skull shapes. One reviewer specifically noted that the adjustable nose bridge helped her find the right fit for the first time with this type of glasses. For a product you wear all day, every day, these details matter more than the spec sheet prescription compatibility. All 3 models support lenses from 12 to +2, 25, covering the majority of prescriptions. This has been available on Ray-Ban Meta for a while, but the new Meta branded line makes it standard rather than optional from the start. The hardware inside all 3 Meta glasses models is built on the same platform as the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2. Not a brand new architecture, but an established and proven one with incremental improvements. Camera, a 12-megapixel sensor capable of capturing 3K video. This is the camera you use for hands-free photos and videos, and for the AI vision features that let the glasses understand what you're looking at. A physical LED indicator lights up whenever the camera is active, a privacy feature Meta has maintained since the first Ray-Ban launch in 2021, following early concerns about covert recording. Audio, open-ear speakers built into the temple arms, the same design as Ray-Ban Meta. Sound leaks, this is not suitable for truly private listening in public spaces, and the audio quality is functional rather than audiophile. The main value is convenience, music, calls, and AI responses delivered without earbuds, without taking out your phone. Battery, over 8 hours of use, plus additional charges from the included case. In practice, heavy AI and camera use will drain it faster than light use. The case charges the glasses between uses throughout a normal day. One physical addition, a dedicated action button. Tap it to access Meta AI directly, or assign a favorite feature to it. This existed on some Ray-Ban Meta variants but is now standard across every Meta glasses model. Every Meta glasses model ships with Muse Spark, and this is genuinely new, not just a rebrand of the existing Meta AI. Muse Spark is the first release from Meta Superintelligence Labs, the research group Meta formed earlier this year. It is also Meta's first closed-weight AI model, a significant departure from Meta's previous open-source strategy with Llama. Meta built its AI reputation on releasing models publicly for anyone to use and modify. Muse Spark is proprietary, kept internal, and optimized specifically for the constraints of wearable hardware. The architecture runs in 3 modes: instant, thinking, and contemplating. That trade response speed against reasoning depth. Instant mode answers fast and simply. Contemplating mode uses more processing time for complex questions. The model was trained with what Meta calls thought compression. During training, it was rewarded for correct answers but penalized for using too many reasoning steps to get there. The result is a model that handles complex questions with significantly fewer compute cycles than comparably capable models, which matters enormously when the hardware is a pair of glasses rather than a server rack. What can Muse Spark actually do on your face? Ask it what you're looking at. Get directions, make calls, send messages, set reminders, get sports scores, get restaurant recommendations, have it describe something you're pointing the camera at. The company says it can understand your surroundings and help manage your daily life, which is a broad claim, but the vision-based understanding in particular has been consistently impressive in hands-on Ray-Ban Meta coverage, and Muse Spark is an upgrade over what was running in those. Also confirmed for software rollout soon, pedestrian navigation, turn-by-turn walking directions delivered through the glasses speakers, and live translation is expanding to 14 new languages including Japanese, Mandarin, Hindi, and Korean. Nutrition tracking via a quick voice prompt or photo is also rolling out, logging what you eat hands-free into the Meta AI app. 2 comparisons worth making explicitly. Versus Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2, the new Meta glasses start at $299, which is $80 less than the Ray-Ban Meta. The hardware platform is the same camera, same audio system, same core AI capability at launch. What you lose is the Ray-Ban brand name, and the Ray-Ban aesthetic, which for some buyers is a significant consideration. What you gain is more prescription compatibility options, better nose pad adjustability, and the more affordable starting price. If you're indifferent to brand names and want the best value, Meta glasses is now the better choice. If the Ray-Ban name matters to you aesthetically or socially, Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2 remains available. Versus Google Android XR glasses, Google announced Android XR glasses at Google I/O in May, targeting a fall 2026 launch with Samsung, Warby Parker, Gentle Monster and X-Real as hardware partners. Meta's advantage today is simple: Meta glasses are available right now. Google's are not. In the fast-moving AI glasses market, being on shelves today versus being announced for November is a real difference. Google's competitive advantage, when its glasses arrive, will be the in-lens display option in the Display AI glasses model, which Meta does not offer in any current product. Meta's advantage is distribution, installed base, WhatsApp integration, and the fact that its glasses are proven products with millions of existing users. This video would be incomplete without this section, and I want to be clear that I'm including it because it is factually important, not to create alarm. 2 findings from 2026 are directly relevant to anyone buying any Meta glasses, the new models or the existing Ray-Ban Meta. The first, in February 2026, Swedish journalists reported that workers at Sama, a Kenya-based contractor, were reviewing video clips captured through users' Ray-Ban Meta glasses as part of Meta's AI training pipeline. Some footage included content that users captured accidentally or without realizing it would be reviewed by human contractors. Meta said the footage reviewed was from users who had opted into AI data sharing. The question this raises is whether users understood what opt-in to AI data sharing actually meant in practice. The second finding is more recent. A Wired investigation published June 4th confirmed that dormant facial recognition code called name tag is already installed in the Meta AI companion app, which is required to use any Meta glasses at all on more than 50 million phones. The feature's not currently active. An independent security researcher confirmed the full biometric pipeline functions, but described it as one switch away from activation. Meta says name tag is exploratory development and any launch would be announced publicly. Neither of these findings means Meta glasses are uniquely dangerous compared to other AI camera products. Smartphones, doorbell cameras, and security systems raise similar questions. But they are directly relevant context for a purchasing decision about a product that has a camera, captures footage of the world around you, and runs on an app installed on your phone. Make an informed choice. Meta glasses are on sale today. Adventurer and Fury start at $299. The Starfire Kylie edition is $399. All 3 are prescription compatible and available in 26 total style combinations across colors, lenses, and frame sizes. If you want AI glasses today and have no strong preference for Ray-Ban branding, the Meta Adventurer or Fury at $299 is now the best value entry point in AI wearables. If you want a display, navigation in your field of view, not just through speakers, wait for Google's Android XR glasses this fall. The full lineup, specs and purchase links are in the description. The Android XR glasses comparison video and the Meta Ray-Ban privacy scandal video are both linked in the description. Subscribe for weekly coverage of what's actually changing in AI and tech. Thanks for watching.